In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. All you need to do is open your messages and select or create a chat. Then click on this icon of a photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos that you wish to add. If you see this kind of pop-up, hit resize or send link. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my file was successfully added. If you want to, you can always click on this plus, also at the bottom on the left. Click on image, select your photos over here and click on the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!